Notice I've been wearing that ring kind of throughout the preview earlier. It's going to be a big, big night at midnight, so please stay tuned. Okay, some other real quick specials that we're going to highlight for you here are Turquoise and Gemstones. We have the earrings for $39.90, $10 off. This necklace is just exquisite, and that's also event priced at $149.90. And we do have 4 flex payments on the necklace or 5 flex payments with your HSN charge card. And then the same thing on the earrings, if you want to take advantage of the 2 flex payments, you can do that with your HSN charge card. Here is another true Studio Barse work of art. And if you do not have the HSN charge card, this is going on all month long. So anything that's over $75, I apologize, does not work on the earrings. It does on the necklace. Anything over $75, you can take advantage of an additional flex pay. So why not? And it's not layaway. We ship it out to you. You'll receive it the next couple of days. You have an unconditional 30-day money-back guarantee with every single purchase that you make with us here at HSN. Studio Barse comes beautifully packaged. Let's talk about some of the gorgeous stones in here, Melanie.
Okay, we've got some, well, number one, look at the amount of silver on the pendant on this. And Lynn, yeah, if you pick it up, you know, maybe on camera you might think of this silver as being just a little wire wrap around there. That's a cast piece.
Good point.
Yes, it's incredibly heavy. And as Lynn and I will talk about later, it's been, oh my gosh, I think it's tripled in the last, silver's tripled in the last 2 years, I know.
Scary.
If not, at some points it hits 50 an ounce. And, you know, we worked with it forever when it was $4 and $5 an ounce. So it was very, very easy for me to design heavy, heavy jewelry because it wasn't that much of an issue. Now it really is. So, you know, something like this, you know, I would say, you know, 20, probably, I was going to say 2 years ago, maybe 2 years ago, it was probably selling, the pendant would have sold for a quarter of the price.
Oh, easily.
On HSN, and, you know, or a third of the price.
And that's just talking the metal. We're not even talking the stones
about the metal here,
right?
And then turquoise itself has gone up. I mean, turquoise has really gone up because of the demand. It's all a matter of supply and demand.
Sure.
But I love these carnelian stones on this particular piece. Can you see how they've done these for us?
Now, how's that done, Melanie? Yeah, it's like polka dots almost.
Yeah, it's almost like polka dots. What they've done is they've polished a piece and then unpolished. It got very trendy about 6 months ago. We saw this coming in trend with a lot of designers and stuff. So as you can see there, it makes it very, very unique and very interesting, but it also brings out the orange in the carnelian. I mean, when you polish it like that, it almost takes on a different hue.
Pretty.
Yes.
And then you have the orange chalcedony, you have the serpentine, there are those big, bold, I'll show you just little touches of crystal in here. There's also blue porcelain, little touches of blue porcelain.
Yes, yeah, I like that.
So pretty.
I wanted to try to get that color in the back because I think it's just beautiful. It's almost like a powder blue.
It is, with a little touch of mint green beads in between.
Right.
All handcrafted. Now, the necklace is 17.5 inches in length, and it's 2-inch extender, and I love that. I'm so glad we're showing it on. As pretty as it is, and it's always important to know what stones we're talking about. Look at those pretty earrings,
actually, this is an orange chalcedony. I call it carnelian, but I mean, I did call it carnelian, but it's orange chalcedony. Yes, I love that. That's a flirty earring.
And it has that kind of a chandelier, but with a twist. And in the earring, same thing. Turquoise, serpentine, brown jasper, orange aventurine is in there. And they're just enough movement to catch the light.
Right.
Very, very pretty. And they're just about 2¼ inches in length, all sterling silver, French wire hooks, and these are also event price. So first time that we're offering those at $39.90. Last 50. If you could get to the phone, especially with the 4 flex payments, that would be $37.48, so $37.48, or 5 would be about $30, $29.99. But yeah, 50 of these, so we're going to expect every last one of these in the next minute to completely 100% sell out. Now, we also should talk about Studio Barse in general, because I just kind of touched the showstopper, which was coming up a little bit later on. But see how everything works back to one another?
Right.
And it's not that signature, that kind of artistry that you're known for, the unique bulky stones and the cuts and the...
Right. I don't think, you know, if you know Studio Barse, then you understand that we're not really... it's difficult for me to design a very thin chain with a tiny, tiny pendant. I told Lynn earlier, I mean, I did have a little small pendant on when I came in, but it's difficult. Most of our designs, here's our trend sheet on this. And we also, this inspiration was Western chic. But yeah, because it is trendy, and thank goodness I've always kind of, I don't remember when a small pendant on a small little chain was popular for me.
Right.
Anyway, but yeah,
Right.
so you do know it is a bolder look, this jewelry.
They're signature pieces, I always say.
Yes, yes.
You know,
our signature pieces are much bolder. Now, we do have, certainly we have some for, leather,
Right.
pendants on leather and things like that. But yeah, you'll see a lot of turquoise tonight. Just lots and lots of color. The whole show is popping with color.
But fair to say, Melanie, nowhere else you're going to find the values that we can bring to you right here at HSN.
Right.
Okay, last call on that gorgeous necklace. Thank you so much for dialing in as quickly as you did. It's 093-954-093.